Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Tron TRX cryptocurrencies of the last 1 hour result. So let's see the live price prediction. First of all, I request you kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the subscribe button now and support us. Thank you so much. You are watching now the live price prediction of last 1 hour of TRX cryptocurrencies. Now the change is positive 0.217% in the last 1 hour in the TRX cryptocurrencies, and the high price of the last 1 hour of the TRX cryptocurrencies is $0.05571. So now the current price is 0.05561 and the Bitcoin price is 0.00001. So if we can see the technical analysis of the TRX cryptocurrencies, so they are fast down at this time, but now they are going up, so it's a good time to buy TRX cryptocurrencies and make a good profit with the TRX cryptocurrencies. That is the live price prediction of last 1 hour. That's a good opportunity to buy TRX cryptocurrencies and make a good profit with TRX. So don't miss this opportunity if you want to make money with the cryptocurrencies marketing. So kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel for more this kind of earning opportunity and cryptocurrencies latest news and updates.